Geobyte.
Welcome to the Geobyte. Dear children, time and distance part 2. Completely previous year questions. Okay, children, observe. First one. Find the distance. Find the distance. Look at. Find the distance covered by a man walking for 12 minutes. He is walking only 12 minutes of a speed of 3.5 kilometer per hour. 3.5 kilometer per hour. So this is hour, this one minutes. That's why this hour convert into the minutes. And also for our conveniency, this 3.5 kilometer change into the meters, then easily you can understand, children. Okay, so 3.5 into 1 kilometer, so 1000. Simplify, 3500 meters converted into the meters. Now observe 60 minutes 3500 meters, but requirement is 12 minutes. How many meters? This is the problem, children. Here you can follow two ways. First one, original cross multiplication method. Suppose you are calculating is very fast, then immediately think different. Okay, this 60 become 12. This 60 become 12 means how can we get 12? So by 5 we got 12. Here left side is divisible by 5. So in the same way right side also divisible by 5. Right side also divisible by 5 means 5 sevens. So 12 minutes is equal to, you are getting 700 meters. This is one method. Suppose if you are in confused, okay, 60 minutes 3500 meters. Okay, so 12 minutes how much? Cross multiply 3500 into 12 by 60. 12 fives 5 sevens 700, again same answer. Okay, now use different method. Okay, think different, we are getting same answer. Okay, children. Next, a bus cover 400 meters in 8 hours. Average speed, already I told. Average speed, average speed. Average speed, what is the logic? Total distance by total time. Total distance, how much? 400. Total time, 8. So answer 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, children. Next. This is 2016 problem, 2016. Very easy question. A cyclist covers a distance 25 meters in a 25 minutes. Find the speed of the cycle. Okay, 25 meters in 25 minutes. So 25 minutes, 25 meter. 25 directly cancel, not a problem. Okay, then what happened? In 1 minute, 1 meter per, okay, 25 cancel. What is remaining? 1 meter per minute. This is the logic. Option is D. 1 meter per minute. If you are confused, directly cross multiply, not a problem. Next. A journey of 120 kilometers takes 4 hours. If 60 kilometers more to be covered, the more time needed is. What is the requirement? The more time needed is. Observe. The more time needed is means generally students already have a number of videos. Okay, use the logical thinking wise, not every time methodology. Look at, first I will explain methodology, then shortcut, logic wise. 120 kilometers 4 hours. 60 kilometers more covered. So 120 plus 60. So 180 kilometers is equal to how much time? First 120 4 hours. 180 60 added. So how much? Cross multiplication. So 4 into 180 by 120. 0 0 cancel. 4 3 3 6 0. So total time is 6, but already 4 completed. So 4 6 gap 2. So answer is A. Logic. Okay, now direct logic. 120 kilometers 4 hours. So 60 means how much? 120 is 4. 60 meaning 60 means this 120 become half. This 4 become half. Half means 2 hours. So this 60 taken 2 hours. So answer 2 hours. Children got it? 120 means 4. So you want 60. So the 120 become half, you got 60. So 4 of means 2. So this 60 taken 2 hours. So answer is 2. Okay, children. Next. Number of times repeated problem. This question you can observe. An office start at 10:30 a.m. and works for 6 hours 15 minutes. Morning 10:30 a.m. office started. It's work for 6 hours 15 minutes. Then office closes at. Okay, this type of question 3 times given. Here I mentioned only one time. Okay, remaining questions in practice sessions. Okay, look at. So 10:30 time, morning 10:30. They start at 10:30. Works for 6 hours 15 minutes. Total 16:45. So closes at 16:45. But in a regular life, we have a 12 hours watch. That's why in the 16:45, you remove 12. 12 hours. 12 hours. Okay. These double digit meaning of minutes. So 12 hours. There is no minute. Exactly 12. So here 45. 6 to difference of 4. So 4:45 is the answer. Okay, children. 4:45 is the answer. Got it? Suppose time 15. Time 15 is what is the time? 12 hours remove. 12 hours remove means time is 3. Compare with the 12. When you are getting more than the 12, then 12 subtract. Less than 12, not a problem. Okay, next. A train covers a distance of 400 kilometers in 5 hours. If the speed reduced by 20 km per hour, the time taken to cover the same distance. Okay, so actually a train covered distance of 400. So these 400, 5 hours. So what is the speed now? 80 km per hour original. Time speed is reduced to 20. Speed reduced to 20 means what is the speed now? Speed now 80 minus 20, that is 60. Same distance covering. So 400 by 60. 0 0 cancel. 2 3s 2 20s. 20 by 3. So 6 2 by 3. 6 hours 2 by 3 hour. Okay, now this 2 by 3 convert into the minutes. 2 by 3. 1 hour how many minutes? 60. 3 20s. So 220 40. What is the final answer? 6 hour 40 minutes. A option. Option A. Look at option A. Next. A car covers 600 km in 8 hours. If 150 kilometers more to be covered, the total time required. Already I told this type of question 3 times they mentioned. Okay. A car covers 600 km in 8 hours. First original method. 600 km 8. 150 more. 150 more means 750. In how many hours? Requirement is total. Observe total. Cross multiplication 8 into 750 upon 600. 0 0. 15 fours, 15 fives, 4 2s are. So 2 5s 10 hours. total time. Original method. Logical method. Logic wise. 608, you want 150. So this 150, how it comes by using the 600? So 600 divisible by 4, we got 150. So left side divided by 4, right side also divided by 4, 2. So 600 8 hours, 150 is 2 hours. So 8 plus 2, 10 hours. Direct logic. Next. A bullet is fired at the distance of 3.32 km away from the Ajay. He hears the sound 10 seconds later. Okay, 10 seconds later. After 10 seconds, he listens the sound. Find speed of the sound. Speed, distance by time. Distance 3.32 kilometers. Convert into the meters, 1000. 10 seconds. Okay, so 3 2 zeros, 3 2 1 0 extra. Upon 10, 0 0 cancel. 332 meter per second. Option B. Okay, children. Next. A train covers 44 kilometers in 55 minutes. The distance covered in 80 minutes. Okay. 55 minutes, 44 kilometers. 80 minutes, how many kilometers? Direct answer, cross multiply 44 into 80 upon 55. 11 5s, 11 4s, 5 16s, 4 16s, 4 into 16. So answer 64. 64 kilometers. Okay, children.
Geobite.